1. When viewing the app, the battery level and loads power alternate in display. When the app is closed, the LED indicator turns off. 2. When the battery level and loads changes by 5%, the battery level and loads power alternate in display. The LED indicator stays on for 1 minute and then turns off. If the lamp type with a battery shape, 20 LED beads on top indicating battery power. Red indicates insufficient battery power. Yellow indicates the battery is about to run out, and blue indicates the battery is enough for use. If the lamp type with a lightning shape, 20 LED beads on top indicating load power. Blue indicates the load power is within the normal operating range. Yellow indicates the load power is over 80% of the rated power. And red indicates the load power is over 90% of the rated power, with an overload risk. 3. Alarm status for LED indicators. 4. When doing update for the inverter, the top 3 indicators on with blue color. 5. Upon inverter power up restart, an initialization self-check occurs. The LED indicator turns on with alternate in display and beeps during the self-check. Once the self-check is complete, the LED indicator turns off.